Here's the wheel swap video you've been waiting for. Are you ready? Let's go. You might want to turn around for this part because this might really piss you off, man. I'm sorry, but here we go. All right, 1983 Chevy Silverado from Hot Wheels with some brand new Artist Athens. Let me know if you love it. Let me know if you hate it. Drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe. We'll get some more builds in the future. Let me know what you think. And now for the big review. Let's go.